Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So firstly, you want to go ahead and open your TikTok app. As you can see on our profile, we have 0 followers, we're following 0 people, and we've got 0 likes. Go ahead and click on the plus button on the bottom of the screen. So once you've opened that up, as you can see, there is nowhere we could see live. As shown on the screen, this is what it should look like. But anyway, what we want to go ahead and do is we're going to want to have or take a screenshot of this. This is going to prove that we don't have the live button that we need. Click off this. I'm going to go ahead and click X on the top left. On the top right, which is the hamburger menu, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. So once you're in Settings and Privacy, scroll all the way down until you see Support and About. Report a problem. That's what you want to go ahead and click. Now, you want to go ahead and search for this issue. So our current issue is I can't go live, or I can't start a live. So go ahead and search that up. Click on the first link, how to start a live. Now you don't need to read any of this. Go ahead and select no. And then what you want to do is click Need More Help. Now, once this pops up, so report a problem, go ahead and tell them a feedback on what's going on. So you don't need to be specific about it. It could be just like, hi, I can't go live. This will affect my experience for TikTok. So I'll write something very similar to this. So I'll say, hi, I can't go live. I need to go live as, say it's part of, this is part of the functionality, or this function will be important for my TikTok. Yeah, we'll go ahead and say that. TikTok experience. So once you're happy enough with what you've said, you don't need to be specific now. Go ahead and add a photo in. And we're going to show them the screenshot that we took earlier on. This will just prove the fact that there is no live button, and hopefully that they can resolve this. So click confirm. Then all you need to do is click submit. So once that loads, you'll get another screen and it'll say your feedback. So they'll get back to you. Of course, you can reply. It's pretty much just a little chat box, and it will take some time. But once they do get back to you, that's pretty much it, and you should be able to go live. So there you guys have it. That is how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. You will have to wait a certain amount of time in order for them to get back. It shouldn't take too long, and if the issue does get resolved, you will have the live button on your TikTok. Now, I do know that this is the only method by far on how to actually get this without the 1,000 followers. But if you guys may know another method on how to do so, please do drop a comment in the comment section below. Let us know as well if you found this tutorial helpful. But yes, that pretty much is it for the video. Hopefully you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you very much for watching.